Hello everybody, this is Hem Survival, back with another video.
So,
I'm featuring Gary and his apple juice.
Okay, so today we're basically going to show you how to make mugs and pots.
Out of clay.
Yeah. To get clay, you basically have to dig a few feet down, and you'll see like an orange ball like this, and if you squeeze it,
It should be hard.
yeah, and it should stick together. And once you see that, you should, and then
You should put it in a pile,
yeah, put it in a pile
and
mash it up.
then you gotta put it in a bucket.
Yeah.
So, over here, we have our bucket of clay. Now, when it comes out of the ground, it should be rippled. Grab the shovel. Well, it should be rippled, and then all you have to do when you get it in the bucket is you just gotta mash it up.
This one's a little harder because it's quite cold out today. So, yeah, it's going to take a little bit, but it should soften up in a bit. Okay, so now Jacob is going to start mashing it up. And now I'm going to go over here and onto our bench and grab our water. Obviously we're not going to drink this. This is just water for making clay. So
When you're done mashing up,
yeah,
which we're not actually.
yeah, but it's a little hard, so we're going to add just a bit. It's good. And then we're going to start to mix that around so that all the clay softens up. And yeah, so
It turns into this gooey orange stuff that sticks together and clumps.
like you should get
Like
something
this.
like that. And that's what you want. You want it to be able to stick.
So you can make pots and cups and stuff.
Yeah. So it's gonna look like that. It's gonna be a little bit brighter than that, but yeah. Okay. Once you're done like
Mixing.
yeah, mixing it and stuff, you're gonna start to shape. Well,
Shape it.
we're not at that step yet, but you're gonna start to shape the clay into
Into a pot.
into your whatever you're gonna
Your
make.
bowl. Or whatever.
Okay, so I think if we make a little bit more, if we mix like a little bit more, we should have the perfect thing. I think that's good.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
bring it over to our station.
We bring it over here.
To our maker station. Where we make all the clay. And we're here.
Quite simple, in fact.
We make it on this brick right here.
You're gonna wipe the brick off, get all that stuff off,
And then you scoop your
get a
clay.
nice big chunk. like
I'd
that.
wear gloves while doing this.
But currently we don't have any.
Yeah.
So don't let this stuff fall. So put that there.
Yeah.
All right. And then you like mix it together.
You shoot. No, I can. Yes, you can. I don't care. And you gotta like shape it into a cylinder.
Yeah.
And then you.
Press a hole down into the middle
Yeah.
so that whatever you're gonna put in there, you can hold.
Yeah.
You can hold it.
Need more
I think we're gonna have a little bit more of a something different today. Instead of making a pot, we should probably make we could make a cereal bowl.
cereal bowl.
Yeah, that should be quite easy.
I don't think so.
If you're up for the challenge.
Yeah.
All right.
You can do anything if you're up to the challenge.
As you can see, he's lifting it right now.
My hands are all dirty. And
No one wants to talk.
your outcome
Should something
look
like this. At
like
first.
this, but it's dry. It's gonna be dry. You gotta shape it and make sure that there's no cracks or anything.
Yeah, like right here. Bond that together.
Yeah.
If worst comes to worst, if you can't bond it together, get some of the excess, move it together, and you'll kind of use it as like a paste.
Yeah.
To paste it back together.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna start to make it so that it's a little bit deeper in water, so that you can that dog needs to shut off, so that you can hold something in it, and yeah, so okay. You don't want the bottom to be thin, so that it doesn't break very easily. Make sure there's no rocks or anything in it. Oh, well, since we dropped that, get a new piece. Yeah, this will stain your hands.
Yes, very
So,
badly.
very, very badly. Like so. So, be very careful while doing this. Don't wear good clothes.
I mean, unless you're a Native American and you want to paint your face. Like so.
So, we're just getting to it. Okay, the bottom's quite nice. We're gonna start to shape the bottom so that it can come off. What is the tool to get it straight off this without cracking it?
Oh, we don't have one of those.
Currently.
You just pick it up.
Alright. No guts, no glory.
And I'm gonna bring it over to the deer stand.
Okay. Make sure it stays thick.
Yeah.
Keep it shaped. It's very dangerous. You don't want to do it. Now that it's here, you're gonna start.
Look at
to
that. We
finely-
made that earlier.
So yeah, these are.
And here are our previous pots that we made, and we made this. Sponsored by our channel. Obviously. Everything's sponsored by our channel.
Everything that we shoot, at least.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
Bruh.
sorry for the camera falling. So it's gonna be quite. It's gonna like you don't want it to mess up and take different shape. So you need to like make sure that it's tough before you release. You don't want sticks in it. Alright, so we started to work on the base. The base is good. Obviously, if you want this to dry faster. Okay. We're gonna run over here, guys. Got a little bit more because I'm gonna stretch it out a bit. So that you can hold more cereal.
Whatever you're gonna put in it. I don't recommend making a cereal ball because
It's pretty difficult.
your cereal is maybe, if you don't dry it enough, it might get a little muddy.
You know.
Mud doesn't
Who
taste
doesn't like
very
mud in their stuff though? So
well. Yeah. We made these earlier, like a couple hours ago. They're getting dry, but I would wait these out for like a day before you use them.
You could add some designs in it when it's...
I wouldn't use them as a cup or anything. I would use them to hold like flowers or something.
Well, obviously you'd have to build them up a little bit more. They can't be...
And this is a cup holder, like a coaster.
Yeah, so you can put some cups on it. Well, this, you could definitely put stuff in.
Uh-huh. And now we just leave it out to dry.
Yep. Just gonna... And later you can add, like, little designs into it, like... Oh, like, if you're baking it outside, you can grab a stick and go down, just so it has, like, little indents in it. You know.
I mean, you could use this for your dog.
Yeah, 100%. Like, if it's a little dog, you can put some food in it. Alright, well, yeah. Your hands will definitely...
Yeah, I would wash them after.
Wash them well, too.
Yeah.
Or just wear gloves. Recommended.
Alright, so
That's...
we just leave this out to dry. And then we come over here in our next video that we're probably going to make today. And if not, tomorrow.
Yes. So stay
We're going to have
tuned.
the finished hole. Without the roof.
Without anything.
Without anything. So we're going to unveil it later today.
Or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow.
Or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow.
But, so keep post notifications on. Leave a like. Please subscribe. And yeah, be prepared. Be prepared for tomorrow's
For tomorrow's unveil.
Peace.